A cannabis tincture allows you to get all of the effects of the herb without the smoke. Hi, this is Audrey Sinette with Cooking Couture Atlanta. Hey, honey, listen, I'm going to put you up on some real game now. It's tincture. I don't recommend anything I haven't tried or got on really good account. Okay, so real quick. We're going to learn how to do a cannabis tincture today. We're going to make it quick and easy and simple. Get you some cannabis, get you a good mason jar, and get you 100 proof vodka. You need to decarb your flour before putting in the mason jar. What you want to do is break it up, put it on a cookie sheet, put it in the oven at 400 for 20 to 30 minutes. It really depends on how wet it is. But 25 minutes, you're safe. 100 proof vodka. All right, and then what you're gonna do is you can get any size jar you want, so you can get as much or as little as you want. And then you wanna put the flour. And you can really make anything a tincture. And I'm gonna do other videos, but we're gonna talk about this right now. Originally I was gonna put all of it in there, but I ain't trying to use all of it, so I'm horrible at measuring. I know I should be weighing and measuring, and this is called purple codeine. I'm already scared of this by itself. So I took I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna find out. So by the time I do the video, I'll just scroll it across, like how much that was, and I took like half of that. You see how much is in the mason jar. Okay, so you want to take your 100 proof vodka and you want to fill it up about 2 inches above the herb. So my herb is right there. All right. We can come back and do some more. Okay, so then you seal it tightly, date it and label it, and then you put it in the dark. Yeah. It's deep. You put it in the dark for 15 days to 1 month, and you shake it up twice a day, every day. I'm going to go for 30 days, and I'm going to let you guys see it. So see how it looks now. As I do it, and as I shake it up, I'm going to take pictures of it in little videos and put this all together. Okay, so this is how it's looking. This is how it's looking on day 1. It's pretty clear. It's wet. I'm ready to go put it in a dark spot. Tincture. Then we drain it, and it's like an oil, and you just do a dropper, and it makes it 1,000% stronger. So you just put a little drop here, a little drop there, and do your thing. Okay, it has been 14 days. And this 100 proof vodka has been sitting inside of this cannabis. This is how it looks. Every day I shake it up. It stays in the dark. And we're going to keep it in here for 30 more days. I mean, a total of 30 days before we try it and see if it's a solid tincture. After being in the dark for over 30 days and shaking it up, I store it in an airtight container in the freezer. This is what it looks like after a year of using it. It's completely potent and it's still really good. You can put a drop of it under your tongue and you feel the effect immediately. You can put it in drinks. You can put it in food. It's amazing and it's super strong. And it's a great way to add THC in this particular instance to your program. It's really cool.